In this crucial iPhone tutorial, we're going to solve one of the most common and annoying calendar problems: how to disconnect your Google Calendar from your iOS calendar. If your Apple Calendar is cluttered with events from an old Gmail account, this is the guide you need. You've just opened your iPhone's native calendar app, the white one with the date on it, and it's a complete mess. It's cluttered with old work meetings, spam, or events from a Google account you don't even use anymore. You've been wondering how to stop the Google Calendar sync and get back to a clean, simple Apple Calendar. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's important to know that you don't do this inside the Google Calendar app. The connection is made deep inside your iPhone's main settings, and that's where we have to go to break it. We'll cover the two different ways to do this: the surgical method, where you only stop the calendar from syncing but keep the account for mail or contacts, and the total removal method, where you remove the Google account from your iPhone completely. You do not need to download any apps, and you won't even need your Google password. You just need access to your phone's main settings app. All right, let's get started and clean up your calendar. As I said, this all happens in the Settings app. I'll tap the gray gear icon to open my iPhone's settings. Now, I need to find where the accounts are managed. I'll scroll down past General and Control Center until I find the main apps. So you will need to tap on Apps. Now find and tap on Calendar. Inside the Calendar menu, I'll tap on the first option, which is Calendar Accounts. This is the central list of all accounts that are feeding information to your iPhone's apps. You'll see your iCloud account, and you'll see the Google or Gmail account that is causing the clutter. Go ahead and tap on that Google account. Now we're at the most important screen. You'll see a list of toggles: Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Here, you have two choices. Method 1. The surgical removal. If you still want to use this account for your mail and contacts, but you just want the calendar events to disappear, this is the method for you. You will simply tap the green toggle next to Calendars. The toggle will turn gray. Your iPhone will ask you to confirm, "Are you sure you want to delete these from your iPhone?" Don't panic. This does not delete your Google Calendar. It only removes the Google Calendar events from your iPhone. I'll tap Delete from my iPhone, and that's it. The sync is broken. Your Apple Calendar app is now clean. Now for Method 2, the total removal. This is for when you don't want that Google account on your phone at all. No mail, no contacts, nothing. We're on that same account screen with the toggles. Instead of touching the toggles, just look at the very bottom. You will see a big red button that says Delete Account. This is the button you want. Again, this will not delete your Google account from Google's servers. It will only remove the Google account from your iPhone. I'll tap Delete Account and confirm one last time. And just like that, the account is completely gone from your iPhone, and your Apple Calendar is finally clean and free of all those unwanted events. Now, I have to mention one very common point of confusion. What if you are using the official Google Calendar app and you want to remove an account? In that case, this settings menu won't help you. You have to open the Google Calendar app itself, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, tap Manage Accounts on this device, and then toggle the account off from there. What we did today was only for the built-in Apple Calendar. Remember, the Delete Account method is the cleanest way to disconnect your Google account from your iPhone if you're selling the phone or giving it to someone else. What if you run into a problem? The most common issue is that you toggled off Calendars, but the events are still showing up. Just be patient. It can sometimes take a minute or two for your iPhone to finish deleting all the synced events. You can try closing and reopening the Calendar app to speed it up. So we have reached the end of our guide on how to disconnect your Google Calendar from your iOS calendar. From there, you can either use the surgical method and just turn off the Calendars toggle, or you can use the total removal method and tap Delete Account to remove it from your iPhone completely. You are now in full control of your schedule and can finally enjoy a clean, decluttered calendar. I truly hope this detailed guide was helpful and made this process clear for you. If it did, please show your support by giving this video a like. It's a simple gesture that helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in clearer, step-by-step tutorials for your iPhone, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, Do you prefer to use the native Apple Calendar app and sync everything to it? Or do you prefer to keep your calendars in their own separate apps, like the official Google Calendar app? I'm very curious. Thank you for watching.